Okay. Now, when I disassembled this PE500, that little metal piece fell out of the inside of this area down here, and I couldn't figure out where it came from. And then I was double checking parts diagrams, and there's a screw hole right here, and the rotary hook on the bottom, when you can't just order that piece, but this part is supposed to go on the inside where the tip of my chopstick is. So I am going to very carefully get that installed and see if that helps alleviate the bunching problem that this machine has.